After the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, there's a lot of excitement around the Galaxy S25. Early in 2025, Samsung is expected to unveil its next flagship model, with the Ultra model being the most expensive and high-end choice. With Google's recent introduction of the Pixel 9 series and Apple preparing for the debut of the iPhone 16, this time of year is ideal for a spike in Galaxy S25 rumors. It's hardly shocking that reputable sources are leaking information regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design. The thing that really amazes me is that Samsung appears to have addressed my primary complaint about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, its annoying note-style design, which consists of flat sides at the top and bottom that result in rectangular corners rather than the more rounded ones found on most other phones and their counterparts. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features an integrated stylus that runs down one edge, therefore, in order to preserve symmetry, the top must also be flat. This means that the awkward rectangular corners may scrape into your hand. However, if Ice Universe's render is correct, Samsung is set to address this with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will feature more rounded corners than its predecessor. Although it still has a boxy design similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the corners look much better. In reference to the foldable, Samsung chose to use a rectangular corner design on the Fold 6 in order to preserve visual symmetry and guarantee that the cover screen seems visually beautiful. If not, you would have a mismatch of curved corners on one side and rectangular corners on the other. According to the most recent design leak for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung intends to keep the stylus function, which explains why the corners have a little curve. The leaker also included a comparison render showing the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Personally, I found the Galaxy S24 Ultra to be a little heavy to hold, but a new update from the same source indicates that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to get some changes made to improve comfort. By having less bezels than its predecessor, the new model seems to have a slimmer profile, which will enable a bigger display within a more compact frame. We must take into account the validity of this early leak even if Ice Universe did not provide the measurements for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.